What's going on, YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Ethereum. Right now we're sitting at $744.63. We're up 8.81%. And what we're going to do is be looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. And what we've currently done in yesterday's video, we were looking at the top of this channel here. Today what we need is a daily candle close, and that would confirm a breakout up above it, and then I'd look up to see if we could hit that $805.82 would be the next overhead resistance that we need to get up through. The nice thing about Ethereum on the 1-day time frame here, we're up above the 20, the 50, the 100, and 200, and as we talked about, those moving averages are fanning out. That's when you're gaining some strength there. So we're still up above everything, not financial advice. If you're a longer term investor, this is where you're happy, you're just sitting back, you're riding this trend. As a swing trader, once we get up to around that 805, if we do hit that, what I'm going to be evaluating is where is the RSI at, what type of candlestick formation are we having at that 805, which is always very important. Look for those candlestick formations up there, because if you start to get like a bearish engulfing candle, the RSI is up around 90 and you're hitting that resistance, that's going to show most likely that local tops in and you're going to get a move to the downside, and that's what you're looking for as swing traders. Same with to support areas. If you see a bullish engulfing pattern off a support area and the RSI is down around 20, that's a great sign. We potentially should buy that and then put your stop loss below that and let it rip. That's how I like to play this market, at least. Right now the RSI is up around 70, so we still have plenty of room. You can see this red line up here. And with this red line, that's around 81 on the RSI. That's where we typically get up to when we pump hard. Sometimes we can even get up into the 90s, but that's typically where guys will start to take a little bit of profit. So yet again, we'd want to see what type of candlestick formations we're having at that area, what's happening with the volume. That's the stuff you're going to be looking for. And as we talk about ETH here, you know, guys, a lot of people like to dog on Ethereum and say, oh, it hasn't done what Bitcoin's done. I truly believe Bitcoin is gold 2.0. I believe Ethereum's the backbone to everything in this space. And I believe from this point forward, Ethereum, not financial advice, I believe it's going to have better percentage gains than what Bitcoin will have from here on out because of how explosive Bitcoin's already been and the price that Bitcoin's at, if that makes sense. I still believe Ethereum's very undervalued in the longer term. You know, down the road, Ethereum could be, and you guys know I don't like to talk about numbers, it could be, you know, a 4-digit coin very easily. It's been up to $1,400 before. So as you're looking at it here at 746, we're up 9.02%, which is a really great move. But in the grand scheme of things, if you zoom out here, and also when ETH starts to get burned as well, I think people are going to go crazy for it as well. So you can see where we're at. This has been a nice uptrend here. Much better than our old uptrend, that big bubble pop that we had. This has been much more healthy. We've had these corrections. That's what you're looking for. But you can see right up here, and that's been about $1,400. If we break out through that, that's when everybody's going to go nuts. It's going to be blue sky breakouts. We could very easily get $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. You know, I take everything day by day. I'm not saying that's going to be the case, but those are the things that you do want to look for as Bitcoin's been having its blue sky breakouts. You know, the price keeps running. We talked about that at $20,000 for Bitcoin. Once we broke through that blue sky breakouts, then it's that price discovery, and that's when things go crazy. And Ethereum has not broken through its old all-time high yet. So I believe there's more opportunity in the long term in Ethereum than I do even in Bitcoin. And guys, that's me telling you I love Bitcoin. I believe it is gold 2.0. I believe that's what it's for, that basically storage of wealth. That's what I think Bitcoin's for. And I think it's a great form of money. As we've talked about, the deflationary aspect of Bitcoin is huge. So as we look up to this 805, and you can see this was a major resistance here, we want to check out those candlesticks and what's going on up in that area and what type of strength we have. We're not there yet. The biggest thing today is getting a daily candle close up above this rising channel that we've been in. We basically started this channel around November 25th, so this has been significant. About a month we've been just chopping back and forth, but we have been making those higher lows, which are extremely important for us. Now if we get into the technicals for Ethereum, overall summary on the 1-day time frame: 1 sell, 8 neutral, 19 buy. Oscillators: 1 sell, 7 neutral, and a 3 buy. Moving averages looking very strong. And when people ask me about this is TradingView calculating the relative strength, all these different oscillators, and they're putting them neutral, buy, sell, basically breaking everything down for you. So that's why I always like to do my technical analysis, and I'll take a look at this and see how well, I match up to what I'm seeing on the charts. So right here, you can see even from the 5 to the 200 moving average, we have been having a buy signal because we've been up above those moving averages, just really moving hard after we have these little retracements. And if you take a look at the retracements, they can be between 22 and about 10% is what you'll get. And if you don't freak out, many times you'll see that higher low come in. Even if we came back down into this area, we could have a retracement back down to $665, no problem. That's healthy for the market. That's what you're looking for. You want to look for these great opportunities, these great trading opportunities. So that's what I wanted to leave you with today, guys. God bless each and every one of you. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Take care.